5 mangoes. It's nice rose mango from the backyard.
Good morning, good day, and welcome to the industrial capital of Trinidad Tobago, San Fernando, the southern city. I am Val.
And I'm Eve, welcoming you to our kitchen today,
so that we may share with you our cooking experience.
Right guys, so no good sahina and kachori cannot go without a nice chutney. So today we're gonna do a mango chutney, rose mango chutney. So in here I added like 10 cloves of garlic, 5 leaves of bandania or shadow benny, and 2 leaves of broadleaf thyme or podina, as some of us will know it, to about 5 mangoes. It's nice rose mango from the backyard. And to that we are going to add, I have some nice freshly ground pepper here. Smell that. And some sugar. Lots of, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar. It depends on how sour your mango is or how sweet you like your chutney. Right, that's that. And then you can always taste and adjust. Salt, I will say like a tablespoon of salt. Right. And I like to add a little jeera to my chutney to give it that nice flavor. A little, about a half a teaspoon, yeah, about a half a teaspoon, and water. Yeah, about that should be. And you just blend everything together, and there you get your chutney. Nice, and there you got your nice consistency that you want. Mango chutney to go with you.